Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to create multicolored eyes by changing the eye color in Adobe Illustrator, like this. Okay, we are in Illustrator. Let's import the image. You can choose any image. Make a copy of this image. Now go to the pen tool and create a shape around the eye. Select the shape and choose any color of your choice. Go to the transparency panel and change the blend mode from normal to hue. Make a copy of this eye shape. Flip it and adjust it like this. You can see that we have changed the color of the eyes. Let's see another example. Make a copy of this. Select both the eye shapes and change the color as per your choice, like this. Repeat this process. Now let's create multicolored eyes. Make a copy of this. Select the eye shape, go to the gradient panel and choose Freeform gradient. Add the pointer and choose the color you like. Adjust the colors. Now delete this old shape. Make a copy of this new multicolored eye shape. Flip it and adjust it like this. Now you can see we have created multicolored eyes. Let's see another example. There you go. Change the color of the eyes and create multicolored eyes in Adobe Illustrator.